Hey everybody, welcome to Wisdom Whispers Divinity. If you want to know the differences between tarot and oracle cards, you are in the right place. I'm about to eliminate the confusion and reveal the best cards for specific situations. I understand that choosing between tarot or oracle can be confusing, but don't worry because today I'm going to share with you the best way to choose tarot or oracle cards. Have you ever felt a pull towards the unknown? A curiosity about what lies ahead or a desire to delve deeper into yourself? If so, the world of divination might hold the key you seek. Among the many tools used for guidance and introspection, tarot and oracle cards stand out as powerful allies on this journey of self-discovery. Often shrouded in mystery, these cards offer a glimpse into the hidden realms of our subconscious and the intricate workings of fate. Tarot and oracle cards, while sharing the common goal of providing insight, are distinct in their structure, history, and application. Think of them as two different languages, each with its own unique vocabulary and grammar, both capable of illuminating the human experience. Tarot, with its ancient roots and complex symbolism, acts as a roadmap of life, revealing potential paths and challenges that lie ahead. Oracle cards, on the other hand, are like gentle whispers of wisdom, offering intuitive guidance and affirmations for everyday life. This exploration into the realm of tarot and oracle cards aims to demystify their essence and empower you to navigate their differences. We'll embark on a journey through time, tracing their origins and evolution, and delve into the secrets of their symbolism and practical applications. Whether you are drawn to the intricate narratives of tarot or the gentle nudges of oracle cards, understanding their unique strengths will allow you to choose the perfect tool for your personal quest for self-discovery and spiritual growth. Join us as we unlock the secrets of these captivating cards and discover how they can illuminate your path, offering clarity, guidance, and a deeper connection to your intuition. Let the journey begin. Step back in time with me to the 15th century where our journey into the world of tarot begins. Picture the bustling Italian courts, alive with vibrant colors, music and laughter. It was here, amidst the opulent tapestries and lively games of the aristocracy, that the tarot first emerged, not as a tool of divination but as a game of leisure known as tarocchi. These early decks, adorned with elaborate illustrations, were a testament to the artistic spirit of the Renaissance, capturing the essence of courtly life and societal hierarchies. The Visconti Sforza Tarot, one of the oldest surviving decks, offers a glimpse into this fascinating past. Commissioned by wealthy Italian families like the Visconti and Sforza dynasties, these cards were hand-painted masterpieces showcasing intricate details and symbolic imagery. The major arcana cards, such as the Emperor, the Empress, and the Fool, depicted important figures and archetypal characters, while the minor arcana, divided into suits of swords, cups, coins, and batons, reflected everyday life and social structures. While the exact origins of tarot remain shrouded in mystery and speculation, its evolution from a card game to a tool for divination is a captivating tale. Some scholars theorize that tarot cards evolved from earlier forms of playing cards brought to Europe from the Mamluk Sultanate of Egypt. Others believe they were inspired by the symbolic imagery found in medieval art and literature, reflecting the cultural and philosophical ideas of the time. Regardless of its precise origins, the tarot's journey from the lively courts of Italy to becoming a powerful tool for self-reflection and spiritual exploration is a testament to its enduring allure and the human desire to connect with the unknown. The transformation of tarot from a simple card game to a tool of divination began in the 18th century, fueled by the burgeoning interest in mysticism and occultism. Scholars and occultists explored its potential for unlocking hidden truths. Antoine Coeur de Gebelin proposed that the tarot was an ancient Egyptian book of wisdom. He believed the cards held the keys to understanding the mysteries of the universe. His theories sparked a renewed interest in the cards and their potential for divination. Jean-Baptiste, known as Étayer, developed the first documented system of tarot divination. He assigned specific meanings to each card and created spreads for interpreting their messages. Étayer's work popularized the use of tarot for divination. The 19th century saw a surge in occultism, further fueling the tarot's rise. The Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn integrated the tarot into its teachings. This added new layers of meaning and complexity to the tarot. The tarot's symbolism continued to evolve, absorbing influences from various cultures. From a card game in the Italian courts to a powerful tool for divination, the tarot's rich history continues to captivate seekers of wisdom. While the tarot boasts a rich history, the origins of oracle cards are more fluid, weaving ancient wisdom and modern inspiration. Oracle cards embrace diversity and flexibility, offering myriad themes, imagery, and interpretations. Think back to the ancient world where divination guided decisions and offered glimpses into fate. Oracle cards echo these ancient practices, bridging modern-day wisdom with our ancestors. Today, the world of oracle cards is vibrant and ever-expanding. These decks offer guidance, inspiration, and a deeper connection to one's intuition. Oracle cards are powerful tools for self-reflection and personal growth. Imagine the tarot as an intricately woven tapestry, its 78 cards, threads interwoven to create a rich and complex picture of the human experience. The tarot's structure, with its major and minor arcana, is like a universal language, its symbols and archetypes resonating across cultures and time. The Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, these archetypes reside within us all, their stories mirroring our own. Cups overflow with emotions, pentacles ground us, swords cut through illusion, and wands ignite our passions. The tarot's structured system and layered symbolism make it ideal for exploring complex situations and uncovering hidden motivations. In contrast to the tarot's structured framework, oracle cards are like a vibrant symphony, each deck a unique instrument adding its voice to the chorus of wisdom. With no set number of cards or standardized system, oracle decks offer a diverse range of themes, imagery, and interpretations, reflecting the boundless creativity of their creators. Imagine stepping into a library filled with countless books, each beckoning you to explore its unique world. Some oracle decks draw inspiration from ancient wisdom traditions, such as the Egyptian pantheon or Celtic mythology, while others focus on specific themes like angels, animal spirits, or the healing power of crystals. The beauty of oracle cards lies in their adaptability and the freedom they offer for personal interpretation. Oracle cards often feature simpler imagery and more direct messages than tarot cards, making them accessible to beginners and those seeking straightforward guidance. The messages may come in the form of affirmations, words of encouragement, or gentle nudges from your intuition. Some decks even include guidebooks with detailed interpretations, while others encourage you to trust your inner wisdom and connect with the cards intuitively. The beauty of oracle cards lies in their ability to meet you where you are on your journey. Whether you're seeking guidance on a specific issue, a daily dose of inspiration, or a deeper connection to your intuition, there's an oracle deck out there waiting to be discovered. Their gentle wisdom and affirming messages can empower you to trust your inner voice, navigate challenges with grace, and manifest your dreams. The world of oracle cards is a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be explored. Embrace the diversity, trust your intuition, and allow these cards to guide you on your unique path of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Choosing between tarot and oracle cards can feel like deciding between a comprehensive map and a compass guiding you through unfamiliar terrain. Both tools offer valuable guidance, but understanding their strengths can help you select the perfect companion for your needs. Tarot cards are ideal for a deep dive into your subconscious and complex situations. Oracle cards offer support, encouragement, and a fresh perspective. Ultimately, the choice is deeply personal. Embrace the guidance that feels most aligned with your heart. Imagine you're standing at a crossroads, a pivotal juncture in your life where multiple paths stretch before you, each promising a different adventure. Uncertainty clouds your mind and you yearn for clarity, seeking a guiding light to illuminate the way forward. This is where the profound wisdom of tarot comes into play, offering a deep dive into the complexities of your situation and illuminating the potential consequences of each path. Tarot, with its intricate symbolism and structured system, acts as a mirror reflecting the intricate workings of your inner world. It delves into the subconscious, revealing hidden patterns, motivations, and potential obstacles that may be influencing your choices. Like a skilled therapist, tarot helps you uncover limiting beliefs and past wounds that might be holding you back from embracing your full potential. It encourages introspection, prompting you to confront your fears, embrace your strengths, and step into your power. When you seek more than just a simple answer, when you're ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and explore the depths of your being, tarot provides the map and compass. It's a tool for those who are ready to confront their shadows, embrace their light, and navigate the complexities of life with greater awareness and understanding. Whether you're facing a major life decision, seeking clarity on a recurring pattern, or yearning to connect with your intuition on a deeper level, tarot offers a pathway to profound self-discovery and transformation. Its wisdom, passed down through centuries, empowers you to make conscious choices, embrace your authentic self, and create a life aligned with your soul's purpose. Imagine waking up each morning and receiving a gentle nudge from the universe, a whisper of guidance to illuminate your day and inspire you to embrace the present moment. This is the essence of oracle cards, a gentle yet profound tool for connecting with your intuition, receiving affirmations, and navigating daily life with grace and clarity. Unlike the tarot's intricate system, oracle cards offer a more direct and accessible approach to divination. Their messages are often straightforward, providing words of encouragement, reminders of your inner strength, or gentle nudges to help you stay aligned with your highest good. Oracle cards are like a trusted friend, offering support, encouragement, and a fresh perspective when you need it most. They can help you tap into your intuition, gain clarity on a specific situation, or simply receive a dose of positivity and inspiration. When you're feeling lost or uncertain, oracle cards can help you reconnect with your inner wisdom and remember the power of your own intuition. They remind you that you are not alone, that guidance and support are always available to you. Whether you're seeking guidance on a specific question, a daily dose of inspiration, or a gentle reminder of your own inner strength, oracle cards offer a powerful tool for self-reflection, personal growth, and navigating life's twists and turns with greater ease and grace. While tarot and oracle cards offer distinct approaches to divination, they are not mutually exclusive. In fact, many practitioners find that blending the magic of both tools can create a richer and more nuanced reading experience. Think of tarot as the foundation, providing a structured framework for understanding the bigger picture, while oracle cards act as the embellishments, adding layers of intuition, affirmation, and specific guidance. For example, you might start a reading by pulling a few tarot cards to gain insight into the overall energy of a situation or the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Then, you could pull an oracle card to receive a specific message or affirmation related to that particular spread. The key is to allow your intuition to guide you. There are no hard and fast rules when it comes to blending tarot and oracle cards. Experiment with different spreads, ask specific questions, and trust that the cards will reveal the messages you need to hear. By combining the depth and symbolism of tarot with the gentle guidance and affirmation of oracle cards, you create a powerful synergy that can enhance your readings and deepen your connection to your intuition. Embrace the magic of both tools and allow them to work together to illuminate your path, one card at a time. The journey of the tarot is a fascinating dance between recreation and revelation. Born in 15th century Europe, the tarot began as a card game known as tarocchi. As centuries unfolded, the tarot's role shifted. It transformed into a tool for exploring consciousness and seeking guidance. Today, the tarot is embraced by diverse practitioners for self-reflection and growth. Oracle cards have been used throughout history to connect with the divine and seek guidance. Ancient cultures developed their own systems of divination using symbolic objects. In China, the I Ching provided insights into fate and decision-making. Norse shamans used rune stones to predict the future. Modern oracle cards continue this tradition, offering wisdom and guidance. They draw inspiration from ancient traditions and reflect modern consciousness. Oracle cards provide comfort, clarity, and a sense of connection. Stepping into the world of tarot is like embarking on a journey through a mystical forest. To navigate this terrain, you'll need tools and techniques to unlock the tarot's wisdom. One powerful technique is the use of spreads. Spreads are specific arrangements of cards, each position representing a different aspect. The Celtic cross reveals past, present, and future influences. The three-card spread offers a quick glimpse into past, present, and future energies. Journaling deepens your understanding of the tarot. Reflect on the cards, their messages, and how they resonate with your situation. Document your interpretations and insights. Over time, your journal will reveal patterns and breakthroughs. Meditation connects you with the tarot on a deeper level. Choose a card that speaks to you and meditate on it. Allow its energy to wash over you and pay attention to any insights. Oracle cards invite us to tap into the wisdom of our hearts. Unlike tarot, oracle cards offer a fluid and intuitive approach. A daily draw is a simple yet profound practice. Center yourself, set an intention, and choose a card. Let its imagery and message resonate with you. What guidance does it offer? Carry it as a touchstone for inspiration. As we conclude our exploration of tarot and oracle cards, it's clear that both offer unique pathways to self-discovery, spiritual growth, and connecting with our intuition. Tarot, with its ancient roots and intricate symbolism, acts as a roadmap, guiding us through life's complexities and revealing the hidden patterns that shape our experiences. Oracle cards, like gentle whispers of wisdom, provide comfort, clarity, and affirmation, reminding us of our inner strength and guiding us towards our highest potential. Whether you're drawn to the structured wisdom of the tarot or the intuitive nudges of oracle cards, remember that the most important guide on your journey is your own inner voice. These cards are tools, but the true magic unfolds when we approach them with an open heart, a curious mind, and a willingness to trust our intuition. So embrace the journey, explore the depths of your being, and allow these cards to illuminate your path. Whether you seek a deeper understanding of yourself, guidance on a specific question, or simply a moment of peace and connection, tarot and oracle cards offer a gateway to a world of wisdom, insight, and endless possibilities. Trust the journey, listen to your intuition, and let the cards guide you home to yourself.